Class 6th, we will learn about the Old Brown Horse, lesson number 11 today. The Old Brown Horse, the name itself is revealing about the poem that the horse which is of brown color and is old now. So we will read the poem now. The old brown horse looks over the fence in a very sort of way. He seems to be saying to all who pass, well folks, I have had my day. I am simply watching the world go by and nobody seems to mind as they are dashing past in their motor cars a horse who is lame and half blind. Now, the old brown horse, a horse which is of brown color and is old now, looks over the fence. What is fence? You can see it is the boundary where the horse is tied. It is the boundary where the horse is tied. This boundary is called fencing. In a very sort of way, a horse is tied there on the fencing or on the boundary. He looks very tired. Why he is so tired? Because he is just waiting there. He is just waiting there. He seems to be saying to all who pass, he is saying to whoever who is passing by, who is crossing that road, well folks, I have had my days. That people, folks means people, I have had my day. My days has gone, I am old now. I am simply watching the world go by and nobody seems to mind. I am standing here and watching everyone, but nobody is coming to me and nobody is paying attention. Seems to mind paying attention. Mind means to pay attention and nobody is paying attention to me as they are dashing past in their motor cars a horse who is lame and half blind. Now he is complaining that people, they are going very fast, dashing very fastly in their motor cars. They are in their motor cars. They are traveling here and there with their motor cars. A horse who is lame and half blind. And now just because I am of no use and I am of old age. The horse is saying that I am of old age and nobody is using me. I have been lame and half blind. Due to the age effect, I have been lame. I could not walk properly. That means I am crippling and half blind and not able to see properly. The old brown horse has a shaggy coat, but once he was young and trim, and he used to trot. He used to trot through the woods and lanes with the man who was fond of him, but his master rides in a motor car, and it makes him feel quite sad when he thinks of the days that used to be and of all the times they had. Now, the old brown horse has a shaggy coat. His hair is untidy, very dirty, and his skin is very dirty. Coat means his body, skin. But once he was young and trim, but at the time when he was young, he was trimmed properly. His hair was trimmed, cut down. And he used to trot through the woods and lanes. And at the young age, he used to run, walk, galloping. Okay, trot means galloping. It is the way the horse run. Through the woods and lanes, he used to move everywhere. Whether it is forest, wood means forest, or lanes means streets, roads. With the man who was fond of him, there were many people who liked him. Fond of him means who liked him. But his master rides in a motor car. But now it is the time when his master is riding in the motor car. They are not using horse anymore. But it makes him feel quite sad. That is why he is very sad. Because he is feeling very lonely. When he thinks of the days that used to be. When he thinks of the days when he used to be, when he was liked by, when he was fond of, when he was liked by everyone and of all the times they had, and those were the days when he was in the demand and he was liked by everyone. So in this stanza, the horse is missing his young age or his past time.